In 2020, Deloitte announced that the window for AI competitive advantage was closing. And so we were really interested to understand how far companies had come and what were some of the challenges and benefits of their AI investments. And so we engaged a market research company and we conducted a survey across 550 data scientists and IT decision makers across Germany, France, UK, Ireland, and the US. And what we found was that 87% of companies feel that AI is vital to their strategy and to their business survival. And in fact, they plan to invest 13% of all of their global revenues into AI in the next 3 to 5 years, which is significant and higher than the 8% that they currently are investing. Out of this survey, we also asked them what were the main challenges that they found in their AI investments. And what appeared was that the biggest challenge was in fact around the data integrity and all of the manual data processes that they were facing. And so you can imagine with AI models, they are built on top of big data sets. And if those big data sets are incomplete or inaccurate, then that will have an impact on the efficacy of the AI model as well. We know how big data challenges are for a lot of companies, so it wasn't entirely unsurprising to us. However, it was very interesting to see just the magnitude of that problem and also the understanding of the problem. This is obviously where we can come in, because what we see is that a lot of data scientists who are joining companies in order to build effective data models and AI models, they in fact in the UK, they spend 77% of their time just doing data preparation. So speaking of manual data processes that these data scientists spend all their time on, what we find is that through the survey, 90% of the organizations that we surveyed, they say that they actually rely on manual data processes in order to get the data into the warehouse, the data lake or lakehouse that they need. So a lot of companies are therefore looking to implement what is called the modern data stack as a way to answer this and make their AI models and their talent more effective. And so the modern data stack is essentially a set of technologies that includes the automated data integration or data pipeline, and this is where we come in as Fivetran. And then there's also a cloud-based data warehouse or data lake or data lakehouse. And on top of that, again, there is the business intelligence. So we've seen amazing growth in Europe. In fact, we have just gone over our 100 employee mark in Dublin, which is our EMEA HQ. And our offices in London and in Munich and around Europe are also growing. We now have about 5,000 customers worldwide, and 1,200 of those are in EMEA. So we are continuing to recruit people for various roles, and I'm really excited to be part of this rocket ship that is Fivetran. Big Data London is the biggest data event in our calendars, and we were so impressed last year at how quickly the event bounced back from the pandemic into the in-person event. And this year it's even more busy. We're having fantastic conversations. They're really relevant because everyone here is interested in data and making data more automated and more modern, and that is what we do.